I'm from the Bay Area and my husband's from LA, and SLO CAL felt like the perfect wedding destination. We wanted to find a wedding destination that felt true to us, authentic, approachable, and beautiful. We were newly engaged, we were on a wine tasting trip, and we realized that SLO CAL was the perfect place to get married. Planning our wedding was so much fun. When we found the wedding standard, it connected us with countless vendors and venues, and it made it so easy to visualize our dream wedding. The caliber of venues and vendors here was just incredible. We explored downtown Paso Robles, discovered our favorite restaurants. Oak Flat Farms was a great venue for us. We loved getting married underneath the oak tree with the vineyards behind it as the backdrop. It was just the most gorgeous setting. SLO CAL was not only a great place to get married, but a place that we could come back to and visit for years to come. It's been such a joy bringing our daughter here, and now we get to experience SLO CAL in a whole new way. I'm Allie Mintz, and SLO CAL will always be my family's home away from home.